Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rooted Android to tackle one of the biggest challenges for any power user, battery drain. Specifically, we're talking about that sneaky drain that happens when your phone is just sitting in your pocket with the screen off. You might know about Android's built-in doze mode, which is supposed to save power when your phone is idle. But what if I told you we could make it a lot more aggressive and a lot more effective? That's where this powerful little app comes in. This is Enforce Doze, and if you have a rooted phone, this could completely change your standby battery life. So before we jump into the app, let's quickly recap what standard Android Doze does. By default, your phone enters doze mode only when the screen has been off for a while, it's not charging, and it's been completely stationary. The problem is that stationary part. If your phone is in your pocket while you're walking or in your car, the motion sensors detect that movement and your phone never properly enters its deep sleep state. The result? Unnecessary battery drain. Enforce Doze fixes this. It allows you to forcefully enable doze mode the instant your screen turns off. And its killer feature? It can disable the motion sensors while in doze, so your phone stays in a deep sleep state no matter if you're walking, running, or driving. Doze will only wake up periodically for essential maintenance windows like syncing your notifications, and then go right back to sleep. This means massive battery savings. The primary feature is right here on the main screen. With this toggle, you can force doze mode immediately after the screen is off. If you prefer a little bit of a buffer, you can go into the settings and specify a delay in minutes before doze kicks in. But for maximum effect, immediately is the way to go. And this is the real game changer, is this option, disable motion sensors. By enabling this, you're telling your phone to ignore all movement data while the screen is off. Your phone will now doze peacefully in your pocket, saving a ton of power that would have been wasted just by the accelerometer staying active. I almost always keep this on. So that's a look at Enforce Doze. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used this app or if you have another favorite root application for saving battery. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.